notch. And boy, you got me walking side to side. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shay Charisse and you guys are my slayers. This is the name that I'm gonna give all my subscribers, your slayers, because you guys are always killing it. So this video is gonna be like a throwback video to my DIY sock heels that I did on Instagram, but I never got a chance to actually upload it to YouTube. So if you guys don't know, it went viral a couple years ago and I was so excited when Carli Bybel on YouTube, she redid my video, and it's gonna be my version or the official video that I should have put up. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, if you slayers are anything like me, you love anything on a budget. So I had to do my own version because, you know, I'm cheap. So for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the look for way less. Alright, you start off by getting any pair of socks. They can be thick, thin. For me, it really didn't matter because I was going to cut a small hole into them anyways. So start out by putting the sock over your heel, and I recommend getting a plain pump. I don't recommend strappy heels because you can see it through the actual sock. So definitely go with something really simple and then cut a small hole where the actual heel is and slide it all the way through. It was a little bit difficult at first to like pull it up, but you should be fine. As for the slipping, I know that problem's like a big deal, so here's my fix. Get yourself a glue gun and some scissors, and I decided to opt for construction paper or foam paper. In the original video I actually did use sandpaper, but I decided to tweak it, and in Carli's video she also used sandpaper, but I think the best option is to use something a little bit softer that will not ruin your actual wood in your, homes. What you want to do is cut a piece of foam like the size of the actual heel, and you're going to hot glue it to the actual sock, and it will not seep through to the heel. It's actually quite protected. And Carli decided to go with the sandpaper option that I did the first time, and it still turned out
really cool alternative. It was super easy to do, and I originally saw this idea from TheNuVogue on Instagram. As soon as I saw it, I knew I wanted to try it out.
And that's pretty much it. It's the quickest DIY ever, and it's so versatile, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I loved making this video. It was so much fun, and like I said, I was inspired to make it because of my DIY Yeezy lookbook, and I know you guys are going to be looking for looks for less, so I'll try to make some pretty soon, and I'll see you guys next time. Just leave a comment on, what color sock you like the best, and if you're a new slayer, leave me a comment saying that you're new and welcome to the team. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see more of this kind of content, just, leave a comment, subscribe, and like, I guess. I don't know. Subscribe, like, I don't know how to like make an outro, but do all of that for me, please. And I'll see you guys next time. I love you guys, and you guys are my slayers, and you're always killing it. Okay, bye.